Welcome back for part 2 of our optical illusion. For this project you will need to pick 2 colors. They can be any colors you want. Preferably colored pencil, but crayon will also work. So the first thing we're going to do is very lightly, doing this lightly is the key, is color our stripes on our hand, alternating from color to color. Sometimes it's easier to rotate your paper, so find whatever position is comfortable for you. Now that we've colored our stripes, we're going to talk about how to make our hand feel like it's popping out using monochromatic value. So what is monochromatic value or monochromatic shading? So when you make something monochromatic, that means you use one color to shade it. The stripes on the hand will be shaded using this technique. So the right way to do this is you start dark and you work your way across, getting lighter as you go. So sometimes it helps to color the whole thing in light first. As you get further across, you are slowly going to lift the pressure off your pencil until you have almost nothing showing up. And then you can go back over that, making it slightly darker. Again, lifting up on your pencil as you go across until you have one section that is very dark, a medium section, and a very light section. Now you want to try to keep going straight up and down, but if you're on the edge of your picture, you can color going left to right. But for the most part, in the center, you want to try to go the same direction all the way across. But you want to make sure the one side is really dark. So you feel like you have that transition from dark to middle value to lighter value to almost white. Now there are wrong ways to do this. So if you can see with my values, they're very close together. There is a somewhat seamless transition. What you don't want is to scribble and go over too fast. Because what you'll be left with is these lines between your values, which will be too much white. Yes, you will go from light to dark, but you won't get the desired effect you want. So if you do that, you can go back over it, adding more layers to help get rid of those lines. But you want to avoid the scribbling marks across your paper. So now we're going to apply this to our project. So what we're going to do to make this hand feel like it's popping out is take the same color as the stripe, and from the line out going in both directions, you're going to start really dark and then slowly lighten up as you get further away. What this will do is create a dark value where the line is, making it feel like that spot is further away or in shadow, giving the illusion that the hand is popping out. You can either use one color at a time and do all the same color stripes at once and then switch to the other color, or you can alternate as you go. And here's the end result. I hope you enjoyed the project, and remember, don't worry about making mistakes, just have fun.